Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you need to reset your iPhone to factory setting, maybe to troubleshoot an issue or prepare it for a new owner, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's get started. Before your reset, it is advisable to back up your data. You can do this using iCloud, iTunes, so you don't lose any important information. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. At the bottom of the General menu, tap on Reset. Here you will see several reset options. Tap on Erase all content and setting. This will delete all your personal data and restore your iPhone to its original factory setting. If prompted, enter your passcode to proceed. You'll be asked to confirm if you want to erase everything on your iPhone. Tap Erase iPhone to confirm. Your iPhone will now begin the reset process. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart and display the setup screen as if it were new. And there you have it, guys. Your iPhone is now reset to factory setting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.